Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use Temu without credit card. So let's get into the video. So open up Temu and then log into your account on your Temu account. And then what you're going to do, you're going to just add any item to your cart. So select an item that you would purchase and then add it to your cart. So we're going to get to your cart and then try to check out. So I just added this item here, so random to my cart. Okay, so we're going to interested more on the checkout process. So click on checkout and go to your checkout page. So when you get to your checkout page here, so whatever item you have added to your cart, and then just go to checkout. And then when you're on your checkout page here, scroll down and here where you see all the payment methods. So if you come up to this payment method here, you will see all the available payment methods based on your region. So if you don't want to use your credit card, so what you can do, you can simply ignore the first option, the card option, and then you can simply choose PayPal, because you can choose PayPal because you don't need a credit card for PayPal as long as you have a registered account with PayPal with your bank details. That's fine. So you can use your PayPal. So you can simply select your PayPal and then complete the order, the purchase. Or else you have other options like pay later options like Klarna Afterpay. Those ones, they are like pay later options and they don't really need your credit card details. And also you have this option here. I have this Google Pay option here. So Google Pay, it's just you don't need a credit card for Google Pay. As long as your account is linked with Google Pay, that's fine. So you can simply select Google Pay and then proceed with your order. So you have various other options here that you can choose from if you do not want to use your credit card while completing your order. So you can just choose any of these options here that doesn't require a credit card, and then you can submit your order and complete your checkout. So that's pretty much it is. So I hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.